Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how you can check how much time you have spent on watching Netflix. So let's get started. First open Netflix. Now go to setting. Now go to your account. Now pick the profile you want to check the time for. Now go to viewing activity. Click on view. And these are the all movies and shows you have watched till now. Now you need to download this by clicking here download all. Just download it. Once it gets downloaded, go to Google and search Netflix calculator. Now open first website. Now just paste this downloaded file here. Now click on calculate. That's it. I have spent 16 hours 40 minutes this year so far. You can check same by following the steps. Thank you.